The highest court in the land is now looking into overturning Hawaii's strict gun laws. The law the Supreme Court justices have their eye on is one that prevents people from carrying guns in certain public places. And our Kristen Concilio explains what that could mean for us here on the islands ahead of the U.S. Supreme Court decision.
Amid an increase in gun violence in the islands, the U.S. Supreme Court will consider striking down Hawaii's ban on firearms on private property such as businesses and churches.
I think it is very, very concerning. And where does it end? Because I've seen, and we've all seen videos of churches across the mainland that have armed security guards.
This comes on the heels of deadly U.S. shootings, including just 5 days ago at a Mormon church in Michigan and just over a month ago during Mass in Minneapolis.
We need to be active in letting our local government know what kind of community that we want here in Hawaii and in Honolulu. And it's especially so in a crowded city like Honolulu, where safety and peace must always come first because we're all in a tense situation.
The Trump administration has argued Hawaii law violates constitutional rights to carry firearms in public.
It is a conservative court, so chances are they're going to be, leaning on probably going against the Hawaii law.
State law bans guns on private property without the explicit consent of owners. Firearms are also not allowed at beaches, parks, and places serving alcohol.
I can see the point of people wanting to have public carry, but there's one thing that I think is vastly more important, and that is that property owners deserve the right to set rules on their own land.
Tom Tamingbong, owner of 808 Gun Club, believes not everyone should be carrying concealed weapons.
I can understand they're worried now because of the high gun violence rate that's been going on here in the islands. But yet again, I would say that these crimes are being committed by individuals who are either criminals or shouldn't be even carrying a firearm.
And it's a delicate balance between constitutional freedoms and public safety.
I think our community, our state, deserves policies that reflect that reflect aloha and care for each other.
Kristen Concilio, Island News.